The story of the rich man and the poor man. One day, the prophet, peace be upon him, was sitting in a circle with his companions when a poor man came in. He was wearing tattered clothes. It is the manners of a Muslim gathering to sit where there is a vacant place and not look for a particular place. The poor man saw a space and sat down. It so happened that the space was near a rich man who gathered his clothes and pulled them towards himself as if to create a space between him and the poor man. It seemed that the rich man was feeling a little uneasy. The prophet, peace be upon him, was watching the behavior of the rich man. He addressed him saying, "Did you fear that some of his poverty might stick to you?" The rich man replied, "No, O prophet of God." The prophet, peace be upon him, asked, "Did you fear that something out of your wealth might be transferred to him?" The rich man replied, "No, O prophet of God." The prophet, peace be upon him, asked a further question. "Did you fear that your clothes might get dirtied by touching his clothes?" The rich man replied, "No, O prophet of God." "Then why did you move yourself away from him?" asked the prophet, peace be upon him. The rich man replied, "O prophet of God, I admit I made a grave mistake. I would like to make amends, and I would like to give half my wealth to this Muslim brother of mine." When the poor man heard his words, he said, "O prophet of God, I don't want to take his offer." The companions who were present there were surprised and said, "Why?" The poor man replied, "I fear that with the wealth I am offered, I too may become proud, and one day may make one of my brothers in Islam feel small in some way, in which he, the rich man, has treated me today."